guys! Welcome back to my channel. Andito tayo sa SM Mega Mall. Alam nyo naman, isa to sa mga pinakasikat at pinakamalaking malls dito sa Philippines. Kaya super excited ako to take you guys with me today. Grabe, pagpasok pa lang ang festive na. Look at all the Christmas decorations. Sobrang daming lights. May giant Christmas tree and the whole place just feels so cozy and happy. Ang ganda talaga ng ambience. Perfect pang picture-picture at pang family bonding. So, ayan guys. Mag-window shopping muna tayo. Syempre, hindi kompleto ang mall trip kung walang konting shopping, diba? So, let's go! Ang daming sales and cute finds, lalo na for gifts. Perfect na rin to for early Christmas shopping. Pero guys, honestly, the main reason why I came here today is not just to shop. It's to show you the restaurants inside SM Mega Mall. SM Mega Mall has so many options when it comes to food. Like, sobrang daming restaurants to choose from. From fast food to fancy dining, meron lahat dito. So ngayon, we're gonna explore a few of them and maybe try some food para makashare ko sa inyo kung ano yung sulit at masarap. Ang dami pa talagang pwedeng kainan dito. Hindi ka talaga mauubusan ng choices. Whether you're craving Filipino food, Korean, Japanese, Italian, you name it, meron sila. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa Din Tai Fung. This restaurant is super famous for their xiaolongbao or soup dumplings. Kung mahilig kayo sa Asian or Taiwanese food, this is definitely a must try. Ang cool pa dito guys, you can actually see how they make the dumplings. Look oh, through that glass window, kita mo yung chefs na gumagawa ng dough and folding each xiaolongbao by hand. Ang galing talaga, di ba? So guys, that is just one of the restaurants here at SM Mega Mall. And grabe, ang dami pa talaga. There's still so much more to explore. So, come on, let's go around and check out the other food spots inside the mall. Like I said, Mega Mall has everything, from local favorites to international cuisines. Kahit anong cravings mo, meron dito. So ayan, we decided to eat next at Manhan. If you love Chinese food, you will definitely know this place. Classic na classic talaga. Medyo cozy and relaxed yung vibe dito. Perfect after a long day of walking around the mall. For today, we ordered lumi soup and siopaw. Simple pero super satisfying. Look at that guys, ang init-init pa. Perfect talaga sa malamig na weather or kung gusto mo lang mag-comfort food. So, that's it for now guys. Ang dami nating napuntahan today, from shopping to seeing all the beautiful Christmas decorations to trying out yummy food at Manhan. I had so much fun exploring SM Mega Mall with you. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon para updated kayo sa next vlogs ko. Thank you so much for watching. See you again guys for my next vlog. Bye bye!